Thank you. All right. The statements I read on public comments previously pertain now. I will not waste more time by reading them again, only to urge people once again to make appropriate comments for the audiences here and who may be listening, and to adhere to the 2-minute limit, and to not make improper comments about any other group or group of people. So I will call up our 2 in-person speakers, Mr. Io Kimathi and Mr. Alan Lang. Mr. Kimathi.
My name is Io Kimathi. I want to first thank the board. I contacted a few people and they made it very easy for me to figure out how to do this. I want to thank Ms. Frank, the communications officer, and definitely Ms. Dent. These were very pleasant conversations that we were able to have, and I look forward to addressing the board in September. I was a little disappointed that I didn't hear back from the superintendent's office, but I know they're very busy. So overall, it's been a very pleasant experience. What I'm here about is the fact that there's something I find to be very dangerous that's happening, particularly to the children. 1 in 5 children in Anne Arundel County are Black children, African-American children. And I represent a movement called the Straight Black Pride community. And Straight Black and Proud is the tradition and the culture of Black people from before we came here. It's still our culture. And going forward, it will be our culture. And unfortunately, other ideas are being pushed and presented to our children that have not, Black people have not had a chance to vote on it. We haven't changed our consensus. We haven't changed our culture. And this is being presented to our children with no defense and no presentation of what their culture is. And so it's something I want to come and discuss with the board to discuss. I think it needs to be looked at because it's unfair to us and it's unfair to our children and the future direction that we're trying to go. Straight Black Pride. Thank you.
Thank you.